Thursday's precise and important news. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is committed to the water agreement signed with Iran. Ministry of Energy and Water said that in connection with the management of the Helmand River, it will adhere to all legal technical issues and annexes to the water treaty signed between Iran and Afghanistan in 1351. Over 3,500 military vehicles repaired by engineers of Khalid bin Walid Corps. Ministry of National Defense says that in the past 1 year, the technical team and professionals at the workshop of 201 Khalid bin Walid Corps have repaired 3,573 military vehicles which were damaged previously. Explosive objects seized by Customs Security Forces in Torkham Port. Ministry of Finance says that the Customs Security Forces seized 39 packets of explosive objects which were placed intelligently in a commercial shipment. We must use Afghanis in our daily transactions, says Maulawi Hidayatullah Badri. Maulawi Hidayatullah Badri, the acting chairman of the country's central bank, has asked compatriots to use Afghani during daily dealing in order to maintain the value of Afghani. Amir Khan Muttaqi holds a telephonic conversation with his Iranian counterpart. Amir Khan Muttaqi, Foreign Affairs Minister, held a telephonic conversation with his Iranian counterpart and discussed various matters of interest.